Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to join Udemy courses. Now they have paid courses and free courses. You can see right here, all these are paid ones. Now you'll get recommended courses according to what you put in your profile. Now let's say we come here over to business. Maybe you want to learn entrepreneurship or sales. So let's say I pick entrepreneurship, right? And we'll get the entrepreneurship courses. Now, if you want to enroll into the paid ones, you can go ahead and select those. Let's say I want to learn this one, how to raise funds. Well, this one is applicable for women. Let's do this one. Okay, zero cost traffic case study. So you need to first add this to your cart to be able to buy this. Okay, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want to buy it now directly, you can go ahead and also do it that way. So usually people add multiple courses to their cart and then they purchase it at once. So here, once you're done, okay, you proceed to checkout. If you have a coupon, make sure you put those in. You just pay with your card or PayPal. Okay? And they do give you a full refund within 30 days if you are unhappy with the purchase. Now this one has a 40% discount going on. So that is a good buy. If you want free ones, what you do is you come here, click on price. Here in the left panel, you can filter it. So if I filter it to free, okay, I'll show you that we can actually join different free courses. So let's pick a good one. This one is good. Well, let's do this one. This one looks great. Introduction to Business Peak Performance. All right, we're going to do this one. A 5-star rating. Only 4 people have rated it. So we can try this one out. So if you want a free one, okay, they do give you a free tutorial. You can just click on enroll now, right here. And then they redirect you to this page where you are able to access the course. So you just click on start course and start with your progress. Okay, here you'll see all the content and you can start watching the course, each different class. As you can see, this one is about 1 to 2 hour course. Okay, this is 1 hour 36 minutes, and then you can come here and get started. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple.